Well, here it is. It's been unused for decades. It's a BSA sports trike, front wheel drive. We're going to try and get it running. We've done some work on it to check it over, but just a quick look at the vehicle itself. It looks a bit rough and derelict, but in fact it's got a lot going for it. For a start, the radiator surround, this is a 4-cylinder flathead vehicle which is water cooled. The radiator surround is very straight and easy to restore, together with the bonnet, or the hood as they say in America, is also very straight, and so is the rest of the bodywork. It seems to be undamaged. The upholstery is going to clean up okay. All the instruments are there. This is the rear deck. This is pretty good as well. It's got lights. It should open, but I don't know why not. And in fact it's a very, very good restoration piece. The front wings have got 1 or 2 splits on them, but otherwise they're very straight, eminently restorable. The headlamps are wrong because they're from a later vehicle, but that's not a problem as they're fairly easily to get hold of. Let's have a look under the bonnet and see what's happening. Well, there she is. Original, probably untouched for many, many years. It's absolutely complete. Starter motor, dynamo, correct carburettor, ancient spark plugs which will probably need replacing. We've checked over the fuel supply, put fresh petrol in it, checked the ignition points, plugs, everything seems to be working there. The spark's a bit weak, but this vehicle's still on 6 volts, so that's something that hasn't been touched since it was new, and the wiring looks fairly sound as well. We've tried cranking it over, and the only problem we have now is it's not running, but when it does fire, it fires back through the carburettor, so there is always the possibility that the inlet valves are stuck open, but time will tell. The problem with buying a car that is a non-runner, you don't know the condition of the engine, transmission, final drive, clutch, and drive shafts, etc., or even the brakes. So it's all a little bit in the air at the moment. We've checked the valves, and we found that one of the valves, inlet valves, is sticking open, so that's been rectified. We've got new spark plugs in it now. We know the tappets are okay, so we're optimistic. Hopefully it will run, and if it does run, then only then can we try the clutch, the transmission, etc., etc. So the battery's charged up, it's still on 6 volts, so we're just going to hope for the best now and see what happens. Right, we're going to turn the ignition on. Set the controls with the choke, etc. Petrol on. Yep. Petrol's on. Now we'll crank it over and see what happens. Oops. prime it up now with some petrol straight into the cylinders, just to see if it will help it go. We've primed the cylinders up with petrol, now we'll see if it will go. Just checking the distributor now, see if we're getting the spark down through the main lead.
Wait, you're going to have to hold that?
Yeah.
Need to turn it over.
Okay. Okay, we've put another coil on it now, and we've checked and we've got a whacking great fat spark, new plugs as well. There's fuel getting to it. Now we're going to see, by cranking it over with a handle, we're going to see if it's going to start. So here goes. There we go. A little tap there, but I don't know what that is. But apart from that, it's running nice and quiet. Hopefully it might just be one of the tappets needs adjusting. How's the oil pressure? Oop. Well, it's a runner now, so we'll see what happens. The throttle set open slightly. You've got a tap there. Do you think it might be a tappet or?
Yeah, well they
see if it'll drive. Oh, that sounds alright. See if it'll drive. No smoke out the back, that's a good sign. Charging. What's the oil pressure?
Yeah, it's starting to charge.
Hey? Oh, it's gone out now.
Oh,
is it charging?
Yeah, oil pressure fine. Got it to gear. Off you go.
that, Simon.
I'm amazed.
Incredible, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Oh, it is, isn't it? It's not locking anymore.
No, valves are settled in.
Yeah, must have done.
Doesn't that run nicely?
Isn't it nice?
Unbelievable.
It's brilliant.
And look, the oil pressure's beautiful on it.
Good oil pressure. Did it charge?
Well, it's
Well, the light's gone out. Oh yeah, it's moved. It moves. Come on then. Brilliant.